Hi, welcome back to SureTriggers YouTube channel. This is Abhay, and in this video, we'll see some exciting SureTriggers updates that we launched in the past month. Alright, the first update we have with us is about notifications. So we have restructured the entire notifications module and also introduced the WhatsApp notifications to receive notifications related to your SureTriggers account activity. Now you have full control on which notifications to receive after what happens. So now you have control to receive notifications after 70% of your allocated task limit is exhausted, 90%, also the 100% task limit is exhausted. Not just that, you just have another option to receive if your WordPress connection has any error or any workflow that is active, and if it is failed for 6 times, you will get an instant notifications over the email. And with email, we have launched the WhatsApp notifications features. So whatever the notifications you are receiving till date on email, you'll be also able to get this notification on WhatsApp. So we are just making sure that on the weekends, you are not left out on your important business notifications. So to add the WhatsApp notifications, you can go to your profile. Once you are in your profile, you can add the WhatsApp number here. And then you can come to manage notifications and select the notifications you want. Also, this setting can be managed for each individual workspace. So you can switch to an individual workspace, and once switched, you can go to manage notifications and manage notifications for that available workspace as per your preference. The second update we have with us is for account security. Let me head back to settings, account, and now you can see another option for receiving two-factor authentication codes, that is Authenticator app. Earlier, you only had an option to receive email code for two-factor authentication for your SureTriggers account. However, if you prefer an Authenticator app over an email, so this option is for you. Now let's see quickly how you can set this up. You have to just turn it on, this toggle, then click on ready to scan. You will be provided a QR code with us. If you're not able to scan the QR code, we also have an option to set up this using a key. So once you set up with your Authenticator app, you have to enter the code that is generated. In my case, I'll enter the code that is generated and I'll click on verify. Once verified, the code will be verified and you will have an option to save the recovery codes. This is just in case if you lose access to your Authenticator app, you'll be able to log into your SureTriggers account using these recovery codes. You have option to copy these codes to clipboard, or you can click on download codes and it will be downloaded to your device. Alright, the third update we have is a short update. However, let me demonstrate it quickly. Whenever you want to send an email to anyone after any trigger happens or as per your preference, so when you come here and enter an email, there might be some cases you want to rewrite it using AI. You might visit ChatGPT or any other AI model to rewrite your email. However, we have introduced the same within SureTriggers. Now, if you visit any integration that has email support and where you have option to add a body text, then you have an option to write it using AI. Now I have written just a simple body text named as thank you for placing an order, and let's see how the AI will rewrite this text. Alright, you can see that we have an email with us. Dear customer, thank you for placing your order. We appreciate your business and look forward to serving you. Best regards, your company name. And as you can see that it has completely rewritten the mail with a proper format. The next set of updates is related to our WordPress plugin. When you install SureTriggers WordPress plugin on your WordPress website, you are prompted with a window to connect your SureTriggers account with your WordPress website. Once you click on Get Started Now button, you will be provided with an option to connect your SureTriggers account with your WordPress website. Now we have introduced a little switcher. So this switcher will be able to connect a specific workspace with your WordPress website. That means the connection that you will be creating will be available with the workspace you choose in this section. Now I want to create the connection with Abbay's workspace too. I'll select the workspace will be switched up here. You will have an notification here, and now you'll be able to click on authorize and connect. Once you click authorize and connect, the connection will be successfully made with your WordPress website. Next set of updates is related to WordPress plugin only, that is the improved UI within WordPress. Earlier, our SureTriggers plugin UI was similar to what you can see on app.suretriggers.com. However, we have enhanced the UI of SureTriggers plugin, and now it is more intuitive if you want to use it within WordPress. So now we have switched the menu bar at top, so you can quickly switch between workflows, recipes, folders, history, and apps as per your preference. And you have an organization switcher here. So you can click on switch organizations, or you can switch between workspaces if you want on your WordPress website. So this complete UI has been revamped, keeping in mind the best experience for our WordPress users. The last but not the least update is related to recipes in SureTriggers, that is automation templates. Now, whenever you select any recipe, let's suppose I select this recipe. And whenever I select this recipe, a window will appear in front of you asking you to start guide or do it yourself. Start guide means play with recipes. We call it as play with recipes. That means you will be guided from step by step to configure the recipe and make that workflow publish and live. Or you have an option to do it yourself as you do it manually with SureTriggers. So let's understand how you can make use of play with recipes and get a guided tour of each of the recipe. Let's click on start guide. Once you click on start guide, you will have an option to create the connection. Earlier you used to have only options of triggers and actions. Now this is a step-by-step option to help you create the recipe. Now I'll click on create connection. Once I create connection, I'll be guided on the left hand side with a small card that how to choose event with SureForms and connect the SureForms with your SureTriggers account. And once connected, you can move it forward to the steps. Similarly, you have a guide to configure the action you have. In this case, this is the zipwp action. Again, you have toolbar on your left hand side to get more information about how to configure this zipwp action. And this is how a new user, or if you want to understand more about that recipe, can get an idea how this recipe is and how to configure the recipe towards them. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you have any feature suggestions or integration suggestions, you can request us on our idea board. The link is available in the description. This is Abhay signing off. Have a great day. Bye.